Good morning. Do you struggle with keeping your carpets and tile floors clean? Hi, I'm Tom, and I want to introduce you to AllStar Clean Pros. We understand the frustrations that homeowners, especially pet owners, face when it comes to maintaining the cleanliness of their carpets and tile floors. With AllStar Clean Pros, you can say goodbye to the hassles of constantly scrubbing and vacuuming your floors. Our revolutionary cleaning system is specifically designed to tackle even the toughest stains and dirt, leaving your carpets and tile looking fresh and vibrant. Not only will AllStar Clean Pros save you time and effort, but it will also significantly improve the overall hygiene of your home. Clean and well-maintained carpets and tile floors contribute to a healthy living environment, reducing the risk of allergens and germs that can cause respiratory issues. So if you're a homeowner with dirty carpets and tile floors, AllStar Clean Pros is the solution you've been searching for. Experience the convenience and cleanliness that our advanced cleaning system offers. Get in touch with us today or visit us online at allstarcleanpros.com to schedule your first appointment. AllStar Clean Pros, your go-to choice for impeccable clean floors.